How many JDBC driver types does Sun define? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 4. Where is metadata stored in MySQL? A. In the MySQL database metadata. B. In the MySQL database MetaSQL. C. In the MySQL database MySQL. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is in the MySQL database MySQL. Who invented Java? A. Netscape. B. Microsoft. C. Sunday. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is Sun. To run a compiled Java program, the machine must have what loaded and running? A. Java virtual machine. B. Java compiler. C. Java bytecode. D. A web browser. The correct answer is Java virtual machine. Which JDBC driver types can be used in either applet or servlet code? A. Both type 1 and type 2. B. Both type 1 and type 3. C. Both type 3 and type 4. D. Type 4 only. The correct answer is both type 3 and type 4. Is an open source DBMS product that runs on Unix, Linux and Windows. A. MySQL. B. JSP-SQL. C. JDBC-SQL. D. Sun Access. The correct answer is MySQL. What is sent to the user via HTTP invoked using the HTTP protocol on the user's computer and run on the user's computer as an application? A. Java application. B. A Java applet. C. A Java servlet. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is a Java applet. What MySQL property is used to create a surrogate key in MySQL? A. Unique. B. Sequence. C. Auto increment. D. None of the above surrogate keys are not implemented in MySQL. The correct answer is auto increment. What is not true of a Java bean? A. There are no public instance variables. B. All persistent values are accessed using getXXX and setXXX methods. C. It may have many constructors as necessary. D. All of the above are true of a Java bean. The correct answer is it may have many constructors as necessary. A. JSP is transformed into an A. Java applet. B. Java servlet. C. Either one or two above. D. Neither one nor two above. The correct answer is Java servlet. Which JDBC driver types can you use in a 3-tier architecture, and if the web server and the DBMS are running on the same machine? A. Type 1 only. B. Type 2 only. C. Both type 3 and type 4. D. All of type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. The correct answer is all of type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. What programming languages or scripting languages does Java Server Pages JSP support? A. VB script only. B. Script only. C. Java only. D. All of the above are supported. The correct answer is Java only. What servlet processor was developed by Apache Foundation and Sun? A. Apache Tomcat. B. Apache Web Server. C. Sun Servlet Processor. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is Apache Tomcat. What is bytecode? A. Machine-specific code. B. Java code. C. Machine-independent code. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is machine-independent code. What is invoked via HTTP on the web server computer when it responds to requests from a user's web browser? A. Java application. B. A Java applet. C. A Java servlet. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is a Java servlet. Which JDBC driver types isare the JDBC-ODBC bridge? A. Type 1, B. Type 2, C. Type 3, D. Type 4. The correct answer is Type 1. How many copies of a JSP page can be in memory at a time? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. Unlimited. The correct answer is 1. Which JDBC driver types are for use over communications networks? A. Type 3 only, B. Type 4 only, C. Both Type 3 and Type 4, D. Neither Type 3 nor Type 4. The correct answer is both Type 3 and Type 4. JDBC stands for A. Java Database Connectivity, B. Java Database Components, C. Java Database Control, D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is Java Database Connectivity. How does Tomcat execute a JSP? A. As a CGI script, B. As an independent process, C. By one of Tomcat's threads, D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is by one of Tomcat's threads.